What's up, guys? Casey here, plumber, 3.5 years at Postma. Let's go to a call. On our way behind No Frills. We got a shower, no hot water, kind of acting up all funny. We're going in thinking it's a cartridge, but we're gonna run some tests and see what we got today. So what we're seeing is we got no flow really out of our hot side. Customer stating that they have hot water everywhere else in the house. It's working fine. Our initial thought was possibly dip tube or cartridge. Customer also said that there was a knocking that comes from the shower when they're running, which makes me think broken cartridge, which will also be causing low flow in the hot side. So we're gonna try to change the cartridge, pull it apart, see what we can find, or switching the cartridge to verify that it is the cartridge that's the issue. So that is your actual, like the mixing side of the cartridge. And then this is actually supposed to go together with that. You can see it's clearly broken. And that's what I think is causing our full issue. Perfect, just like we thought, cartridge was the issue. We have hot water, full pressure. Throw the trim plate back on, give the customer it's okay, move on to the next one. Thanks for coming along for the ride. And again, any plumbing, electrical, HVAC issues, Postma, we got you covered.